Welcome to Penguin Engineering, the UK distributor of Eno and Force 10 ovens and hobs. Here's a brief introduction to the Eno range of gas hobs. Eno build hobs with 1, 2, 3 or even 4 burners, each with a specific purpose in mind. First, let's show you the Extreme 1 and 2. Small and compact, these are ideal for small sailing cruisers and racing boats. They can be mounted on the countertop or onto gimbals, but either way, fitting one of these hobs, should you wish to do so, is a very simple job. The Extreme 1 has this flame frame or a heat shield for maximum safety when space is tight. The burner output is plenty at 6,500 BTU, so you can quickly brew up between tacks. These pan clamps are included. The gimbal kit shown here is optional, but if you don't need the gimbals, you can have it freestanding on rubber feet, or you can screw it down to the countertop. To keep things really simple and reliable, this hob doesn't come with electronic ignition. The Extreme 2 has one medium and one high output burner, 5,900 and 8,500 BTU respectively, so you can prepare and enjoy some proper meals underway. Pan clamps are included, as are these gimbals, and there's also a freestanding version for motorhomes and motorboats. This hob comes with or without electronic ignition. Next we have the master range. These hobs sit close to the counter surface for a cleaner look and are partly recessed, so you'll need to make a cutout in your counter. The good news is that Eno hasn't changed the cutout dimensions for the master range in decades, so if you trust the old Eno has finally given up the ghost, it should be a straight swap. Just check our website for dimensions to be sure. These hobs don't gimbal, so they're best for powerboats and catamarans, but they're also perfect for caravans, motorhomes, and for cooking outdoors at home. The Master 1 has one hob, as the name suggests, and it's really compact, so you can fit it just about anywhere. The medium-sized burner puts out 5,900 BTU, and these pan holders are included. The Master 2 has a big 8,500 BTU burner and a medium-sized one at 5,900 BTU. A pan rail and clamps are sold separately, and you can opt for electronic ignition. To gain some precious extra workspace, the glass lid shown here on the Master 3 comes in really handy. The difference between the Master 2 and 3, if it isn't already obvious, is this extra simmering burner. The burners are all well spaced on a very wide base, so there's plenty of space for your pots. The millésime range of hobs are the best available from Eno, both in terms of looks and performance. Shown here we have just the single burner version, which can be a great looking addition to a small powerboat. You can also buy a millésime with 2, 3 or 4 burners. The hob is set in this matte black surround, and the burners sit below the worktop surface, so the grid itself sits flush. The control knob also sits flat with the hob surface. The Sabaf burners are the same as the ones you'll find on our high-end Force 10 cookers. They're about 20% more efficient and will save you a significant amount of gas. Electronic ignition is standard, and you can opt for a pan holder kit and a glass cover. So that's the Eno hob range. Please visit Penguin Engineering for all the model options, details, drawings and spares.